Want to create flexible, responsive designs in Figma? Auto layout is one of Figma's most powerful features, allowing your frames and components to automatically resize and arrange themselves as your content changes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use auto layout in Figma in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your design file and select the layers or objects you want to organize with auto layout. You can select text, buttons, icons, images, or entire frames. Auto layout works best when you have multiple elements that should stay neatly aligned. With your objects selected, click the Auto Layout button in the right sidebar or use the keyboard shortcut to apply it instantly. Your selected elements will automatically be placed inside an auto layout frame. Now choose whether your items should be arranged horizontally or vertically. Then adjust the spacing between items and the padding around the frame to create the layout you want. Even small spacing adjustments can make your design look much cleaner. Next, customize how the frame and its contents resize. You can choose options like hug contents, fill container, or fixed dimensions depending on your design requirements. Take a moment to resize the frame and watch how the elements automatically adjust. One of the biggest advantages of auto layout is that you can add, delete, or reorder items, and the layout automatically updates without needing to manually reposition everything. This feature can save a lot of time when designing buttons, menus, cards, and lists. Now continue designing using auto layout throughout your project to create interfaces that are easier to edit, organize, and scale. So you've successfully learned how to use auto layout in Figma. And that's how to use auto layout in Figma. Once you understand spacing, padding, and resizing options, you'll be able to build cleaner, more responsive designs much more efficiently. The more you practice using auto layout, the faster and more organized your design workflow will become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.